The Prophix Financial Performance Platform streamlines and automates the transition between reporting standards, whether switching from IFRS to GAAP or vice versa. Common challenges relating to such a change typically include maintaining compliance with each individual reporting mandate, keeping alignment between reporting requirements, and duplicated efforts. In this video, we will demonstrate creating a sub-consolidation according to US GAAP alongside our group consolidation following IFRS. Let's take a look at the group consolidated P&L statement. As evident from the content, namely the IFRS 16 lease entry, this statement is based on consolidation under IFRS. In order to create a top-down sub-consolidation according to US GAAP, you simply have to select the period which is associated with the North American subgroup and consolidate. Creating a subgroup takes mere seconds and allows you to pre-configure the journals to be included in the sub-consolidation. Check out our video Mastering Sub-Consolidation in Minutes for details on creating subgroups. Once the sub-consolidation is processed, your P&L statement no longer includes IFRS adjustments such as the IFRS 16.1. This is due to the fact that the system allows you to create different journal views based on your journal types and attach them to a subgroup. This step is done once and is connected to the subgroup, which is vastly more efficient than manually eliminating the adjustments on a per-account basis. Apart from filtering out IFRS-specific adjustments, you need to make sure any US GAAP ones are added as needed. While you could do this one by one or fully automate it, Prophix also allows you to partially automate this process and create events which include batches of specific adjustments. The rules for these adjustments are predefined, so running this automation takes mere seconds. Once you rerun your consolidation, you can go back into your P&L and see the US GAAP adjustments. Because these are associated with this period, they do not affect the group consolidation. To see the report in US GAAP format, you simply switch to a different P&L configured under that reporting standard. In the meantime, if any changes have taken place in your group consolidation, all you need to do is rerun the sub-consolidation and those changes will be pulled down into your sub-consolidation level. Prophix helps you maintain alignment among all levels of consolidation at all times, eliminating the need for manual work and improving the efficiency of your reporting. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, visit prophix.com.